Welcome back, everybody. We're going to be making chicken paprikash today, a family recipe.
Good morning, everybody. Hello, I'm Mike from Mike's Place, but apparently now I am the singing cook. But I don't know if that's singing, because I know when I cook at the party center, they tell me to shut up. But I'm so glad to be back here. I am finally fully retired. I am done with politics. I'm telling you, 24 years, politics has changed. So, be careful what you wish for, Brimfield. So, what I want to show is this is something that we're doing to help the local food bank. This is the History of Mike's Place by Mike Kostensky. It's available on Amazon, and any sales from this book, $5, go to the local food bank, which we just presented their first check on Tuesday. And also, this is why I'm called the Singing Cook. My shameless promotion of salt water, warm beaches, and no snow. I just got my results from Spotify, and I'm quite amazed. And Doug Jenkins, who's filming this, is the reason why. Between him and Freddie DeMarco, we actually put a great CD together. And, when you get the winter blues like I'm getting in Ohio, you might want to listen to this along with a few margaritas. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do, it's called Chicken Paprikash. My grandmother, she was Hungarian. It's her recipe. I remember watching her do it, and I don't think I could ever make it as good as her. But over the years, I've sort of figured out how to put it together. So what we're going to do is we're going to get busy. Right, Doug?
Right.
Okay, let's get started. So what I first do is I take 1 pound of butter. Oh, yeah. And then I take what I used today was vegetable oil. And I put it all in here.
Sorry about the use, but this is
that's that.
starting out pretty good already.
Yep. Okay, and then I like to get everything, and that's my wife says so. Okay. So what we're gonna do is let it melt.
All right.
And then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, Doug, you see this is all melted down. Now I'm gonna put my 2 onions. Actually, there might be a few too many. Yep. I do the few onions. And yes, I put the pepper in now because I don't know if people realize this.
Yeah.
But pepper gets released when you do it in oil and butter.
Okay.
So let's just get these onions translucent, and then we'll go to the next step. We should probably get a picture of our favorite drink.
Yeah, I've been drinking that in the back there.
Okay, Doug, see how they're getting translucent?
Yeah.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the green peppers.
Okay.
Oh, wait, they are not green peppers. These are actual Hungarian mild peppers.
Ooh, where'd you get those?
I got those over at, I don't want to give a shameless promotion.
All right, we won't shameless.
It was Myers, a very nice and clean store. Thank you, Myers, for having some fresh peppers. Okay, Doug, I am going to add the garlic.
Okay.
And the good thing about the garlic, well, it's not a good thing, do not cook it for long. I don't want it to burn, because when garlic burns, it's no good. So about 5 minutes. And what I forgot earlier was I usually like fresh parsley, but this old dork forgot to get the fresh parsley. So, hey, now we'll just cook this for 5 minutes.
I'm filming this today with Mike as he's drinking that coffee. That smells great. You guys got to try this.
Everybody try this recipe.
Okay, Doug, now the fun part. The garlic is done, so I turned it back to very low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to the sink and drain it. This chicken has been brined, but it's only been a couple hours, but I just want to do it so, Doug, you could taste the difference in brine chicken. Okay, Doug, I'm going to try to fit all this in there. Stores don't carry 8-cut chicken anymore, so basically I got up this morning and had to cut this chicken, and I cut it into a 10-piece chicken.
Gotcha.
Because the chickens they got anymore are freaking like dinosaurs. They're huge. So we're probably gonna have to do this in a couple different settings.
Gotcha.
Okay?
All right.
Thanks, Doug.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, folks, what we did, I managed to get all this chicken into one pan. So now what I'm gonna do is cook it in here for probably 15-20 minutes just to get it done. And then I'm gonna try to transfer it over here to put it in the Dutch oven so we'll have that constant heat.
Gotcha.
These birds they're selling in the stores anymore are like dinosaur birds.
Yeah.
A close relative. Thanks,
Big
Doug.
birds.
Big birds. What I'm gonna do now, Doug, is I'm gonna put the juice into here. I love these kind of pots. They're almost like a Dutch oven kind of pot.
Yeah.
It's just it's a heat all the way around because it's iron. So now what I'm gonna do is I already got a cup of water in there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour my tomato product. Plum tomatoes are amazing. I go ahead and puree them a little bit with an immersion blender. And then what I'm going to do, since I have a lot of water in there, I'm going to add 2 of these, which is about 2 tablespoons of chicken base. I know it sounds weird, I'm adding chicken base to chicken, but it just adds such a great flavor. What you want to do is you mix it in there so it becomes part of the liquid. Okay?
Okay.
Now Mike's going to add a little bit of water, a few cups, and onto the paprika.
So, I love paprika.
Ooh.
There's hot paprika, and it's from Hungary. That's one. And now here's the other 2. Sweet paprika, the same company. And I
So
put
you
it.
get the hot and the sweet.
Yep. And then I add that.
All right.
Bada bing.
So now we're going to let this cook for around 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to let all that good stuff that Mike was making get into this chicken, and I just can't wait to test it. Had to cheat a little bit and try the actual broth that Mike was making. I'm going to tell you something. The smell and the taste of this is out of this world. You got to try it at home. Man.
Hey, Doug, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this out, and I preheated the oven because I want to finish the sauce, because we're doing the version of paprikash where you actually add the sour cream. This is cold water, and what I'm going to do is add flour. Not more than that.
So this is a roux, and we're not talking Akron roux.
Not Akron roux, but
Okay.
you know what you want to do. You want to break it down, and I'm getting flour on my wife's floor.
Uh-oh.
Don't you dare take a picture of that.
I just did.
See what you do. You just you want it like this, almost like a paste,
All right.
but not really a paste. It's a real.
Oh, no.
My god!
Yep.
Oh my gosh! Good thing my wife's out shopping. Okay, Doug. Now here's what I'm gonna do. You ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully this is not too. It needs to be a little more done.
You just rude me.
Yep. Sorry.
That's
Okay.
all right.
So what I do is I put this in, and that'll sort of thicken it up. Hey, Doug, the roux's been in there, and now we're putting in my favorite part.
Sour cream.
Oh, yeah. I know this is not healthy. Lord, I know this is not healthy. But darn, is it good.
Yeah. Sure
So what I put in there was actually 16 ounces.
Nice.
Wow. Hey, Doug, I want you to try this now with the sour cream added.
Try this.
Okay.
Mike, that is phenomenal. Is it on my beard?
No, you're clean.
So now Mike's going to place the chicken back into the pot, and we're ready to taste this.
All right, we're getting ready for this taste test.
And Doug,
I can tell, Mike, this is
what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the best part of it on here.
Oh man, this looks great.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, Doug, I am ready to see what you think.
All right, I'm gonna grab some of this, Mike. This looks incredible, Mike. Hold on. I got a little.
Some good stuff.
Hold on. Let me get the big bite. You ready?
I'm ready.
Man, Mike, that's incredible. That taste is great.
Yep, and I mean those sprotzels really kick it off.
Oh, the whole thing, the sauce. I like the heat. I
Yep.
love the chicken tastes great. It's like falling off the bone.
I know. I'm ready to
Man.
try some.
All right, well, get over here.
Okay, thanks, Doug.
So I'm on my fifth bowl. No, just 2. But man, you guys got to make this at home. This stuff is awesome. Thanks, Mike, for making that.
Too busy eating. Thanks,
Yeah,
Josh.
we're eating. We'll see you guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Come back next time.